Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I got a special unboxing today. I guess I've been living under a rock on these chats that I'm on or Facebook pages I'm on, especially with the Scally crew. I was totally oblivious, and I finally put two and two together and realized that one of the members there actually had his own cap company, and so I went ahead and ordered one. And I actually ordered a couple, but it is Swisher Apparel. And these guys, I'm going to just go ahead and show that to you. Top notch. From what I hear, they're great customer service. And yeah, I was just living under a rock. I had no idea. And like I said, it was finally dawned on me. I was just a couple of days. I was like, that's the same guy that's in the chat. He has his own. And I was like, oh, okay. So I gave it a shot. Let's go ahead and see if we're going to be upset or if we're going to be pleased. And like I said, this is just another company to support small business. I'm all about supporting small businesses. Shirt Show CEOs, one. Funky Brims. I show support for those guys as well. But this is my first Swisher cap. Let's go ahead and get it open here. And one thing I got to get is everybody, I'm watching these reviews here now, and I got some good news is that we're going to be doing a live stream with some other reviewers. And in the long run, we're going to get a bunch of people on there, customers, people on the group Facebook chats. But yeah, so one thing I noticed is that everybody's got a knife when they open these boxes. And here I am using a pen or using my teeth on some things. And I guess I just got to invest in a knife. All right, so let's go see what we got in here. And right from the get-go, I got a note. I don't know if you see that or not. Thanks for rolling in the Swisher gang, Mark. Enjoy. Customer service top-notch. That's something that you'd get from a small business that you would not get from Boston Scally. Personalized notes like that. And wow. This is the RedRum. It's called the RedRum Ace. I'm trying to, here. There you go. That's what you want. So this is a RedRum. It's a herringbone, red and black, really sharp-looking cap. And one thing I did find out is that he actually steams these before he mails them out. Now tell me how cool that would be if Boston Scally and others started doing that. But look at the inside here. It's got tissue paper, so it keeps the shape of the cap. I'm not gonna have to put this on a steamer, and it's rolled. It's like the poo emoji of the way they got that wrapped in there. Look at that. Huh. It's pretty cool. But yeah. And here is the RedRum. I did get a 60 centimeter. I was going to get a 58 and figure I'd just stretch it. But I might on that 59. I was like, I'd rather just go ahead and get the 60. And this is true to size from what everybody's telling me. Again, you got Swisher Apparel on there. RedRum. Great looking cap. I'm going to pause the video, show you a close-up, and I'll be right back. And here is a close-up of the RedRum. And this is a 6-panel cap. But again, you got that there, a red herringbone. That's really sharp looking. And then there's where it says Swisher Apparel, 60 centimeters. And I'm hoping that it's not going to be too big. I'm hoping I did the right size rather than, but yeah, just look how well that looks. Man, that looks great. Can't wait to try it on. Let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so here it is. Take off the old Baker Boy or the Buffalo, and let's try on the RedRum. Let's go ahead and give it a nice little bend. Yeah, 60 is the way to go. Woohoo! This thing is sharp, wicked sharp. Wowzers. What do you think, Ace, on this one? You like that? You're still busy in the box. You like that, buddy? Yeah? You got your approval? Holy cow. Well, there's a few more caps that I will be ordering probably tonight from Swisher Apparel. Just look at that. Man, that is a beauty. Wow. Yeah. Perfect. Man, oh man, looks just amazing. Customer service, top notch, supporting small businesses, all checking all those boxes. Well, Mr. Swisher, you have gained a customer, and I'm going to be ordering more tonight. Again, this is Reviews of Moose, Swisher Apparel, RedRum cap. Again, thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.